I'm in my mum's car. Boom, boom.
Ah, good shot.
I didn't even see your fucking head.
Alright everyone, that's game over.
Oh, good push.
So don't forget to take your mags in.
Hey everyone, it's EdmAirsoft back with another video. Today we're taking a look at the Taran Tactical Glock 34. Right out of the box, this gas blowback pistol stands out with a snappy trigger, competitive inspired styling, aggressive slide cuts, and premium looking finish. Designed to combine speed, incredible handling, and accuracy, all in a reliable sidearm. One of my favorite things about this is how balanced it actually feels in the hand. It's lightweight enough for quick target transitions, but still has enough weight to feel realistic and premium. If you're interested in picking one up, go to Force on Force and use code EdmAirsoft at checkout for 15% off. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. Oh my god, I am so sorry.
I'm sorry, little one.
Oh! Oh! Good shit, brother.
You're a wizard, Harry. I love magic.
Oh. That shot?
Just right there.
Good shot, sir.
It's about to go down.
Oh!
Damn.
No way.
Oh, get shot. Thanks, buddy.
Thank you for shooting me in the thigh, not the balls. Did it fire the first time?
I thought I hit your gun the first time, that's why. Sorry for the neck. Ah, Nick.
Sorcery.
Oh.
That's a good trade.